So question 4. What the question says, from the following figure find the values of. So first of all, our question first part is sine B. Sine B. Theta is B. So now theta will be over here. That triangle will be in triangle ADB. So now we'll write in triangle properly. In triangle ADB by using the theorem, or we can write P dot T, Pythagoras theorem. So formula of Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So here we don't know about the perpendicular. The base we know, the line in which the theta as well as the perpendicular lies is known as the base. The longest side hypotenuse we know the value, but we don't know about the perpendicular, so we will integrate the formula. So we will write hypotenuse square minus b square, p square, perpendicular square, hypotenuse is 13 whole square minus b square, which is 5 whole square. Perpendicular square 169 minus 25. Perpendicular square equals to 144. So p equals to root 144 equals to 12 centimeter. The root of 144 is 12 centimeter. So our p becomes 12 centimeter in both the triangles. We have two triangles if you can see properly. Then what we will do? We are asked sine B. Sine B equals to base upon, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 12. Hypotenuse is 30 in the longest side. You have to remember it properly. Then second part says tan C. So tan C is in which triangle? It is in triangle ADC or CDA. So but we have to find the hypotenuse, the longest side. So in triangle ADC by P dot T, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus P square. So hypotenuse square we don't know. So base square is 16. So 16 centimeter and 12 square. Hypotenuse square equals to 256. 16 into 16, 256. You have to remember the squares. Then 12 into 12, 144. 256 plus 144, 400. Hypotenuse square equals to 400. Hypotenuse equals to root 400. 400 is the square of 20. So 20 centimeter. Now here we will write 20 centimeter is the longest side and the largest value of this triangle. So okay, 20 centimeter. So we know all the values of both the triangles. Now just we have to do is put the values. So like tan is P upon B. So perpendicular is 12 centimeter and base is 16 centimeter. It's so easy, you can easily do it. The third part says secant square B. Secant square B minus tan square B. Okay. Secant square B minus tan square B. So in this we don't know the secant square. So we'll find it. We also don't know about the tan square B. So we'll both find the values and then we will do square it. So secant is h upon B. And in this which triangle? Theta is in which triangle? It is in triangle BDA or ADB. So BDA. So hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. And base is in which both the perpendicular as well as the theta lies is known as the base. So base is 5 centimeter. So now we'll find the tan square B. Not square right now. Tan will be P upon B. So it is in which triangle? In this triangle only. So perpendicular is AD side and its value is 12. And the base is BD and its value is 5. Answer. And then we'll do the squaring. And then 13 upon 5 whole square minus 12 upon 5 whole square. I think one answer will come. Okay. 169 upon 25 minus 144 upon 25. Yes. 25 upon 25 cutting one answer. So our fourth part says sine square C plus cos square C. So we know sine square C. We have find? No. We have find cos square? No. So we'll find it. Sine square C. C is in which triangle? It is in triangle ADC. So here it is. Now by sine equals to P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. P becomes 12. Hypotenuse is 20. And then cos C B upon H. Base is 16. Hypotenuse is 20. Then squaring 12 upon 20. I think answer will be 400 upon 400, and then we will do cancelling. I think so. Then 16 upon 20 whole square. We have to add them. 144 upon 400. 144 upon 400 plus 256. Yes. 400 equals to 400 upon 400, and then cancelling equals to one answer. You can check the answers at back. And then question 5. This is the most interesting question. In this, we know about sine A equals to 3 upon 5. We don't have to make any figure, but for some detailed understanding, we'll make it. So the simple figure of a triangle, this will be this. Okay. Will not be here. We'll mark it like this: A here, B here, C over here. So our theta is over here. So sine is, don't get afraid of this value. You just have to remain calm. So what you have to do, P upon H is sine. You all know. And it is 3 upon 5. You all know. P upon H is equals to 3 upon 5. So P is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. And you have to just find this. For other, this is our hypotenuse. And this will become, I'll do it 5 square. This is our base. So 25 minus, it will be 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. You will use the Pythagoras theorem and you can find this. But I have find it in short way. It is 4 centimeter. So AB is 4 centimeter. The base is 4 centimeter. And then first tan A. The theta is over here at angle A. Tan A equals to P upon B. P is 3. Hypotenuse, base is 4. Answer here. Second, cos A. Cos A is B upon H. B upon H. Base is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. So we have found our answer. And thank you for today.